Right now, we are living in a world where the artificial intelligence is a very hot topic. Everyone is using, everybody is talking about. But you know what? I feel as I don't hear people talking so much about this in motherhood, but we can actually use this so much in our favor in order to be more productive and to offload the mental load that we have. So yes, we can use it, and how we're gonna learn here in this episode. And the kinds of artificial intelligence that we can use, we can dig later, but I would concentrate right now into how we can use it and how we can actually start if we are not used to do this yet.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dania Hamdan. I write articles about education, parenthood, motherhood on my blog called Be.
Hello everyone, and I'm Raquel Lisboas, a self-development specialist with focus in mothers who wants to get back in their career, strengthen their self-confidence, and feel more productive without guilt.
How can we use artificial intelligence to be more productive as mothers and as workers? And also, I want to ask you what kind of artificial intelligence we can use, because as you know, there are many kinds.
Mm-hmm. Right now, we are living in a world where the artificial intelligence is a very hot topic. Everyone is using, everybody is talking about. But you know what? I feel as I don't hear people talking so much about this in motherhood, but we can actually use this so much in our favor in order to be more productive and to offload the mental load that we have. So yes, we can use it, and how we're gonna learn here in this episode. And the kinds of artificial intelligence that we can use, we can dig later, but I would concentrate right now into how we can use it and how we can actually start if we are not used to do this yet.
Could you please give us an example?
Yeah, absolutely, I can do that. Let me think. So I'm pretty sure most of us as mothers, not all, but many of us, we cook for the family, right? And then some people will cook in a daily basis. And for that, they have to take the decision of what are they going to cook every day. And that consumes your time, your decision-making power. It requires creativity even sometimes, and it can generate some stress and also a little bit of a mental fatigue. So I would use the AI in that sense. Initially here, let's give this example. So you can write, first of all, choose the chat that you're gonna use. If you're not used to it, choose the most popular ones that are out there. They are for free and they are simple. You just need to write the things down there and then you get the result. And then after, when you start mastering more of the things, and then you can go deeper in what kinds of AIs are out there. Some are specifically for productivity, some are even specifically for recipes and nutritional information. Yeah. But in this moment, I want to concentrate in the simple thing. We are busy mothers. If you are not used to the technology, let's start simple. So choose the one that you want to use it, the one that you are comfortable with, and then you're gonna give the guidance to this chat. And remember, take this chat as an assistant. Think that, okay, from now on, you have a 24/7 assistant with you. So this thing is there to help you. But this thing doesn't know what you need. So you need to give the instructions, right? So think of, okay, if it was a person, I need to give the information for this person to give me what I want. What would I say? And then write in that way. Give as much details as you can so the chat understands what you need and will give you the best answer. However, I make brackets here that when I say specific, be specific in the task that you want. But don't give a personal information. Don't give information like your child's name or your address or financial password information. Just be mindful on that, right? So, and then you give the information to chat, and then the chat will give you the detailed task. And to be even more specific right now of what you need to do, I actually prepared the material for all of you with the ready prompts that you can just copy and paste in the chat, and you don't even need to think so much of what you need to write. So I'll give you examples, and then from there you can start getting used to it and develop your own prompts. But I'm gonna give you an example right now, which is the one related to the meal plans. So you can actually write down there something like, create a healthy 5-day dinner meal plan for a family of 4 with a picky toddler. Even you can even add those kind of informations to be even more specific and suits better your reality, and include a grocery list organized by supermarket sections. You see, I actually tried this by myself and I got wonderful results. You can even ask the chat maybe to develop the recipes or give you example of recipes of the steps on how to prepare these meals, on how you can storage these meals if you're gonna do them all in one day. So basically you save a lot of time here, and you save also a lot of energy, and you don't have to be using this decision uh, power in things like these all the time. You can keep this power for the bigger decisions that you have to make along the day. This can be very helpful for you. It can save a lot of your time and energy, and you can even start planning the meals for the entire week by that, and always have some options that are nutritional, that are nice, creative for your family and for yourself.
I think this can be very useful actually, because I know many mothers that, for example, while they're having lunch, they're eating their lunch with the family, they're like, what shall I cook for dinner? And then at dinner, what shall we cook for lunch tomorrow? And so,
Yes.
the cycle is
Yeah,
always
it
the
never
same
ends.
thought. I mean, during the day, you always have these things. So yes, to have it's a plan of the week, and also you get help of the AI, can save a lot of
Yeah,
energy during the day, so that you don't consume it thinking of what
that's
to cook
true.
and so on.
Because and then actually you can also, by doing that, you get the tasks like somehow prepared by the AI, and you can use and you can offer your presence, your full presence to your beloved ones, to your kids, to your partner, to whoever, instead of be thinking about what am I going to cook tomorrow while you are having dinner now. Instead of doing that, you are actually here present for them.
Yeah.
It not only saves your time and energy and helps on your productivity, it also helps you to have a better time, a quality time with your family.
Then, do you have any other example from our daily life?
Yes, I can give you many examples. One that let me give you two examples, one related to your kids and one related to yourself as a mother. So one related to your kid, let's say your kid is having a little bit of difficulty in a topic at school, and you don't really understand and master that topic to help your kid. Okay, there is a choice of choosing a tutor to help your kid. But if you don't have that choice at the moment, and you at least need to guide the kid in the minimum way, you can ask the chat to make that topic easier for you in a more accessible language that it's more understandable for you and for your kid. So basically, you're gonna ask the chat to break down that topic and give you an explanation that is accessible and understandable for a 5-year-old. How can you make this topic easy for a 5-year-old to understand? This is a way, and then it will help you. If the 5-year-old kid will understand the topic, probably you will too, and then you can support your child's learn in that way using chat. This is just like it's a minimum way of improving this guidance that you can give to your kid. Another option is about yourself. As a mother, we tend to forget to take care of ourselves, of our self-care time. You're gonna ask a chat to give you options of self-care to be done in the short amount of times. For example, if your kids take a nap for 30 minutes, so ask chat, okay, give me a 30-minute or even less, a 25 or 20-minute workout that I can do that is effective and I can do in this short amount of time. I'm going to remind you one more time that I have prepared this material. I'm just explaining to you and give you the examples, but in the material, the prompts will be ready and it's going to be very clear and very well explained there for you just to use it.
We need to learn how to use it in our favor, as you said.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So let's be smart and use it in the best way.
And you mentioned about some materials, no? Where can we find them?
Yes, so basically I have a VIP WhatsApp group. I have these groups in 2 languages. So one is in English, one is in Portuguese. So you can choose what language you prefer. So you join the group and I'm gonna share this material there. So you can make your life easier. You can benefit from this. You don't have to think so much about how am I going to get the prompts ready. I don't have an experience. And then trust me, after you start doing, you get used to it and then you will learn how to make your own prompts. But you can join the WhatsApp group and then you get the material there. And before we finish, I would like just to add one more thing. Don't forget that the chat is your assistant. It's like an assistant. It's not to be seen as your authority, as your guru. So don't take the things from there as an absolute truth. Keep your sense of, your critic sense and take it as a reference. As I said, be safe. Don't give very personal information about yourself or about your family. And remember that the most powerful tool you have is your intuition as a mother. The chat is there just to support as an extra tool. Yeah.
Thank you. It's very important to underline this because there are people that maybe completely rely on the AI, but yeah, our main source is ourselves.
Exactly.
That's from the AI or other tools we can get ideas. They can help us do things, but they don't replace us, or they don't replace a professional or an expert or a doctor or anything.
Exactly. Yes, especially in the health field, let's say, I would always recommend the people to search for a professional, for a certified professional. Use this just as an extra support, and remember, it's not your authority. It's just an extra support. It's just the assistant. Yeah.
Thank you, Raquel.
You're welcome. I thank you guys also for watching us, listening to us, and staying here until the end. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you enjoyed this season, and I'm gonna wait for you in the next season.